Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
Today we're at Elizabeth's Purdy Trucks doing a walk around on a 2015 Ford Taurus. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to check the tires. Look to be brand new there. Just going to be looking for dents, stings, scratches, any imperfections in the paint. Got one little ding here in the rear door. A little bit of scuffing and scraping right there. As we come around to the back, always looking for scraping and scratching at the bumpers. Cargo areas, entry points is very common. As we come up the passenger side, just a couple little spots there. Just a little wax residue. No issues there. And a little bit of fading on the plastic, which is also a pretty common issue. A little crack there. Nothing major. Looking inside the Taurus, this is a limited model. You do get full power for the driver's seat. It's a nice perforated black leather. 73,966 is the current mileage. Your information display here is also going to have all your backup camera, AM, FM, satellite radio. Everything is touchscreen. Navigation is included. It is a push button start. All your climate control just below that. Multiple power and USB ports. A lot of additional storage. You can see some of your auxiliary ports there for the sync system. All the flooring is going to be black. Sorry for the dirt tracked in. Looking in the back seat now, just doing a nice slow pan over the seats. No rips or tears in the leather. A lot of leg room. You do get some rear air control as well as a power outlet. Looking inside the trunk, tons of cargo space back here. The back seats can be let down for pass-through storage, your original floor mats, and then we'll flip this up to reveal your tire and tools. Taking one more look at the back seat now from the passenger side. There is an integrated armrest back here for a little added comfort. And then those back seats can be let down for pass-through storage. We're going to finish up in the front passenger seat. Full power for the passenger as well as the driver. One more look over the seating surface. You're going to take one more spin around the back. And that is going to wrap up your 2015 Ford Taurus Limited.